Let us continue with enumeration. In this lecture, we will see how to do local resources enumeration using Hyena. Hyena uses an Explorer-style interface for all operations, including right-click context menus for all the objects, management of users, groups, shares, domains, computers, services, events, files, printers, and print jobs. So, what you will learn? The objective of this lab is to help you to learn and perform network enumeration of system user information and running system services. Hackers enumerate applications and banners in addition to identifying user accounts and shared resources. In this lab, Hyena uses an Explorer-style interface for all the operations. Management of users or groups, shares and domains, everything we can find out. To perform this lab, you will need a computer and you have to download the Hyena. As you can see on the screen, type www.systemtools.com and hit enter. You can see the first link there, click it and then go to downloads section. Scroll down till you find Hyena. So go to the download section and depending upon the version of your operating system, download Hyena in your respective language. My computer is 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit Hyena. Wait till the download finishes. This is asking for email addresses, but you can directly click on the link and the zip folder will automatically get downloaded. You can see Hyena is now downloading. To be an expert ethical hacker and penetration tester, you must have sound knowledge of enumeration, which requires an active connection to the machine being attacked. So now Hyena has been downloaded and let us extract the files to get the setup. So here is the Hyena setup. Run the setup with administrator in your machine. Follow the steps as shown on the screen to install Hyena on your machine. Click Next. Accept the terms and then click Next. If you want to change the directory, you can change and then click Install. Hyena will install in just a moment and then click Finish to launch the Hyena. Type Hyena and then press Enter. Now you can use the 30-day trial version, so click OK and the main window of Hyena appears on the screen. Now expand the screen and then click the plus node at the local workstation to expand the section. Then expand users node to view all the users in the machine. Now some of the expansions must be limited to you because the Hyena is using a trial version and there might be some issues with the software and therefore full utilities will not be seen. So you can see these are the local versions, these are the available printers, these are the shares, that is C drive, E drive, F drive and G drive, which are present on the local machine which currently I am using right now. To check the services running on the system, double click the services. So you can see these are the events which are going on. You can see different types of things like user rights, scheduled jobs, then all other things. So by observing all these options, you can check for any reasonable information discovered by Hyena that would prompt you to take proper security measures to safeguard the system. Since the access is denied, let us see if we can access the internet or access the resources using this system. Since we cannot add or remove, we have to get information from the available information itself. You can see the performance, then you can see the memory performance, the active threads, file reading, file writing, current bandwidth. In short, Hyena tool is used to enumerate all the network and services that are currently running on the local machine. So this is really a lot of information. Note down the important information that you will be requiring for information gathering process. If you double click on the scheduled task, it will say access is denied. In your PC, it might show you the scheduled task. These are the registries, these are the Windows registries, and it's really a lot of information. So to stop the query, press stop and then exit Hyena.